LGU. Last touch by yellow shirt. Safe basket po tayo dyan. For the opening quarter of this basketball action. A modern person to office category jersey number 25. Tulog ito sa Abdurrahman Pakasay. Steve by jersey number. Jersey number 17 for Team CPBC. Maangat. Ngunit sa kanyang pag-angat, Pilipensa ang ayaw magpaawat. Foul for jersey number 25, Aaron Paul. 2 shots for jersey number 17 for Team CPBC. Yung unang pagkakasalan ng numero 25 for Team LGU Espanola. Bruce, team foul, and for the first throw, not good. Second throw, jumper. Hindi pa rin tumalik kayo yung dalawang tirada for Team CPBC and jersey number 7. Abdurrahman, likod ng bola for Team Socorro Espanola. Put up jumpers, 2 points by jersey number 8, Liwa. And jersey number 99, ikot for yung Team CPBC, jersey number 26 ang aangat. Binulang sa pwersa yung tirada, agawan mo sa batang ilalim. Balik dito sa numero 99, not good. Officiating referee, foul jersey number. And foul jersey number 9. Pushing foul, 2 shot for jersey number 26. Usman, 2 shot for Team CPBC, 7 minutes and 10 seconds for the first quarter of the game. For the first throw by Usman, 1 point, second throw, jumper. And 2 points by jersey number 26. And jersey number 8, Diwa. For jersey number 9, Abdurrahman yung pase, Furious, 2 points, Abdurrahman. Yung Abdurrahman, yung Paris Manyola, ay pumukulit na magpuntusan para sa kanyang upunan, 2 against 4, 2.8, 6 minutes and 50. Jersey number 17. Ikot ng bola for Team CPBC, jersey number 4, pull-up jumpers, not good. At may nakita ang foul ang ating officiating referee, foul jersey number. Jersey number 9, pushing foul for jersey number 9, and first personal foul, 2 team foul for Team Socorro Espanola. 6 minutes and 44 remaining time. Jersey number 99, not good. And jersey number 8, Iwa. Same Moxton. Six minutes and 35 remaining time the first quarter. For quarter for third, ng magkakang CPBC laban dito for Team LGU Espanola. Jersey number 15.